Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is a domain name in the email address. So right here we are in Google, so this is going to be an example of what your domain name is. So you're pretty familiar with the @gmail email address right here. So Google has two versions and you can have your own domain. So the domain is the @gmail, so that's your domain name. So the domain we usually use is @gmail, @yahoo, @hotlink.com. But you can actually have your own professional email, which is going to be your domain. So basically your domain is, you can customize it. So you in your own Google, you can actually try it out. So if you want your first name like me, so let's just say JL, and then like this, our last name, and then your email address if you want to. So you can actually customize it right here. So LOL that at Gmail, or actually let's just say hi.com. You can do such, and then next right here. So there you can get a custom new domain right here, or set up your own existing domain. So if you want to get a custom one, you can do so, and you have to search one and have to buy one. So let's do an example right here, like hello.com. So here, as you can see, you can buy a domain that you can choose. So there are other domain providers, of course, that you can choose from, but Google has one already ready for you. You can choose godaddy.com and other things like that. So here you can search for your own, like let's just say dinosaur. So here dinosaur, so dinosaurbook.com. So it's gonna be $18 a year. So there's gonna be an annual fee, of course. And if you already have your own domain, just place it down right here and you'll be able to use it. So basically that is your domain name here in email addresses in Gmail. So we're use our Google for this. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.